The wind howls a mournful cry. Rain lashes down from a bruised sky. Thunder cracks a deafening roar. Lost in a drift I can't take anymore. But in the distance, a flicker of light, a beacon burning so warm and so bright. A haven in the storm, a shelter I crave, a place of peace where my soul can be saved. The tempest rages, a fury untold, shattering dreams, leaving me cold. Each crashing wave, a memory drowned, searching for solace, nowhere to be found.